yeah, yeah, yeah. It's Christmas time. It's holiday season. Yeah, 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 yeah. It's Christmas time, so we're gonna make Twice cookies. Christmas cookies.
We are gonna make Christmas cookies out of Twice. Or
Wait,
wait, we're gonna make Twice out of Christmas cookies.
Yes.
I'm nervous, but we're gonna do it.
Seriously, send a prayer up to God Jihyo right now. Yes, we do baking with Wyatt videos, but that is not high quality cookie decorating. Hello. We're not bakers.
We're not baking. Wait.
Well, we
are
gonna
baking.
Bake. It's
We're not bake.
We're not bakers. So
I'm really excited.
It's time for the baking process.
First, we're gonna make our sugar cookie dough. We're gonna put the little custom-made Twice cookie cutters on top of it and cut them out. Then we're gonna throw them in the oven. Then let them cool, frost them, hope they look like Twice members.
Twice's Christmas cookies in 3,
2,
1. And you can tell who's doing what because I have the Apple Watch Series 3. Cody has the Garmin Smartwatch.
How are we gonna flatten this without a rolling pin? Call me crazy.
Wait.
Hush.
Oh my god. Oh.
Oh my goodness.
We've got too much dough. Okay. It's really important when you're working with dough to touch it.
Often.
Touch it often, love on it, knead on it.
Oh my gosh, it's stuck. This is our first go. It might be too thick. Oh my gosh.
Ew.
Can you guys see what's happening to her? She's becoming oily. The butter really got to her.
It's nice that they get nice and oil diffused because the paper sticks on there perfectly.
So we're gonna put them in the freezer.
Yeah.
So they retain their shape and don't like just spill everywhere. This one's gonna bake to end up looking like a football.
They all are. Now what we need to do is be careful and just peel away the old dough around our girls. Oh boy. Not doing well under our studio lights. Chaeyoung already looks like a football.
Oh boy.
A little bit of left for me to munch on.
Yummy. Oh my gosh.
Sis snapped, literally.
One slug remains.
Come on, Sana, you got this, babe. Okay, her head is wanting to fall. Right off.
And we're really gonna make for sure it doesn't stick this time.
Let's do a little dusting of flour on top so that maybe they won't absorb so much oil. Okay, and that is plenty.
Okay, that was much easier. All right, I'm gonna put these on. So I guess we should show you what just happened.
Y'all won't believe it. IKEA is pissed. That's actually
Girls!
so sad.
Oh my gosh, girls, be careful over there. Wow. I'm actually shook that the other plate didn't break.
I'm not sure what type of centripetal force.
I guess we just throw it away.
No, I think we could use that still.
So these are the frozen cookie dough pieces after I did some detailing work on them with the knife before they bloat in the oven. Honestly, not too bad. I'm gonna shave a little titch.
Don't burn yourself.
Where's her
mold?
Where's her mold? I just touched the hot pan. Oops. 1 out of 9. All right, y'all. It's time for the big bake reveal.
Sounded done.
Hey, careful with that one. The skirt will fall off. Up first is Momo. We did it. We made the cookies.
Whoa.
It took forever. It took all day.
You guys.
Literally all day.
Cody is the best artist in the world.
He's sweet. Here's the problem. The darker colors, the hair started to bleed through into the skin colors. So they look a lot worse now, but we got them on camera when they looked good. So.
Nayeon.
This one's probably my favorite.
Hey, Nayeon.
Hey.
What are you doing?
Just getting ready for TT.
Oh, I'm still back here getting ready to do Shy 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 for the first time. I don't know why, but I think I'm going to pronounce it Sha Sha Sha.
I think you're going to be the biggest superstar in all of Asia.
I know.
Okay. Hey. Hey, come back. Oh my gosh.
Hey, what's your name?
I'm Mina from Knock Knock.
Oh, my name's Chaeyoung from Dance the Night Away.
What is that?
My hair.
You're so dumb. No, what is Dance the Night Away?
Oh, it's a wig snatching summer bop.
Not interested.
Bye.
Hey, we're from the same comeback.
Bye-bye.
Oh, yeah! Yeah, yeah, yeah! Let's dance the night away! Don't dance too much.
You don't have any legs!
This'll happen. Jeongyeon's legs fell off. It was my fault. They fell off right after we shot her on the little cutting board thing. But don't you guys like the Twice logo? I think it came out pretty well. She's from UA. Oh,
and so is she. Legs snatched.
She snapped. Jeongyeon really snapped.
Maybe Jeongyeon snapped. And last but not least, our Dubu.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Hey girl, what's going on? Oh, nothing. I'm just rehearsing for my scene.
Hey girls, what are we talking about? How good I did in the comeback? Oh yeah! They're like little dolls.
J-Line is on point.
Came dressed in yellow. Misamo.
More like mimosa.
Sa. Get out of my shot. I'm starting the song. I always start the song. Hey.
Not this
rap
time.
Line.
It's time for Heart Shaker. Yeah, 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 yeah.
This really is my favorite. I don't want anyone to eat her, and I think I want to try and freeze her and preserve her.
My favorite? Sorry if I'm breaking a rule by having it be the exact same, but Nayeon is my bias, and this is my favorite era and one of my favorite photos of Nayeon, and Cody and I captured it perfectly.
Should we try Jeongyeon's legs?
I think we should split Jeongyeon's legs in half.
We're gonna taste test Jeongyeon. Mmm. Good. Really? Just sugar cookie.
Heavy on the icing. Whoa.
There's like seriously 3 layers of icing. We did it!
I'm so happy!
Merry TWICEmas! Let us know what your favorite cookie was, and if you want us to do this again with a different group, we would love to.
Yes, make your suggestions in the comments below, and if you try to make your own TWICE members or Blackpink, Red Velvet, BTS, anyone members as cookies, tag us on Instagram, or Twitter, or Facebook.
Merry TWICEmas to all, and may you have a happy
and blessed
New Year.
Bye-bye.
We love you. Oh, yeah!
Does anyone have any ketchup?
Shy, shy, yeah! No! Not Mina! No!
Turn it off!